Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to finish up the file options. First off, let's do some organization. So you can rename, which would be changing this, or you can just click in. Second is move. You can move the document from where it is in Google Drive to another location. So it'll show the current and you'd be able to adjust to different locations based off of your Google Drive. I'm just going to push cancel because I don't want to move it. The next one is to add a shortcut, and this is essentially a link to this exact document but in different places. So currently it's in Google Docs is the folder, but there's already a shortcut that I made in YouTube, and you can see here in Drive that it's there, and it doesn't have that information like normal, and when you open it, it'll still open it up. Essentially, Google has changed what it looked like. You used to be able to just use Control-C, Control-V to copy and paste a document, and it would be that link to have it in multiple places. But now that actually makes a copy of the document, so you have two different documents. So that's just another way to do that. You can move it to trash if you want to delete it, and you have 30 days to recover. I don't want to actually delete this, so I'm going to take it out of trash. You can find document details here to see like the location, who owns it, when the last modification was, and when it was created. System limitations will show up if you add certain restrictions to different users shared. This will only be seen by the other users if they're going into it. So if you have one shared with you, you can see limitations. I have another video that covers it a little more in detail. Feel free to watch that if you want. Next is the language, and honestly this isn't quite, it's not like changing the language structure of it. It'll be default to whatever one it is, but it kind of adds to this document is intended in Spanish or in whichever one. So if you switch it to there, it's not going to actually like translate the document. That's just more kind of the language in which this is intended. That's about all of it. We've now covered everything in file. Hopefully you find that helpful, and getting the details to really learn. Hopefully you find that helpful to learn everything that you can do within Google Docs. We'll see you in the next video as we